$1.5 per minute. Earn big watching YouTube ads. Make money online. Alright folks, let's dive into a straightforward guide on how to make some extra cash without much hassle. No fluff, just the facts. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to channel for exploring innovative ways to make money online. Today, we've got an exciting opportunity that could put some extra cash in your pocket. No corporate jargon, just straightforward information. Let's dive in. If you're looking to earn a quick buck by watching YouTube ads, you're in the right place. Imagine making 55 cents for one ad, 60 cents for the next, and a whopping 65 cents for the third. Stick around and I'll reveal a trick that could have you earning $1.80 every minute watching YouTube video ads. Yes, you heard it right. But first, let's talk about this brand new website where you can turn your time spent watching YouTube ads into cold hard cash. No strings attached. It's called surf.b and people worldwide are cashing out $10, $24, even $40 in just a few minutes. It works globally, so whether you're in the United States, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or anywhere else, you can jump on this money-making train. Ready to turn your PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone into a PayPal cash machine? There are 4 simple methods to make money here. Watch banner ads, visit different websites, watch YouTube video ads, and even earn as an affiliate. Stick with me and I'll guide you through each step. Step 1. Register yourself by hitting the Create Account button in the top right corner. After verifying your email, log in to find a dashboard that's already putting money in my pocket. Over $100 in passive income last week alone. I'll show you how to replicate this success. Step 2. Once logged in, scroll down to discover a variety of YouTube video ads waiting for you. Earn 55 cents for the first, 60 cents for the second, and 65 cents for the third. Refreshing every 24 hours, there's always an opportunity to make more. Click Start, press play, and watch your earnings grow. Step 3. Now, let's talk banner ads. Hover over the extension button, choose your browser, install the Surf extension. It's got a solid rating in Chrome Web Store, so you know it's legit. No need to click. Banner ads will automatically earn you cents every 20 seconds. It's easy passive income. Step 4. Boost your earnings by visiting different websites through the Surf extension. Click Start, stay for the timer and earn. Repeat and watch your cents accumulate. You only need 3 cents to withdraw and there are various payment methods, including PayPal. For those in top-tier countries, you're in luck as you'll earn more. But don't worry, if you're not, we've got a solution. Install a VPN Chrome extension, select the USA, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about turning this into a weekly passive income. Head to the referral section. Select promo banners and copy your referral link. The beauty here is a 5% commission on your referral's earnings. Share your link on platforms like Reddit, where millions of users can discover this money-making opportunity. Just keep it simple and intriguing. Curiosity is your friend. Now that you've got the basics of making money by watching ads in surf.b, let's explore what to do if surf.b isn't the right fit for you. Every platform has its pros and cons, and it's essential to find what works best for your preferences and needs. Fortunately, there are several alternatives that offer diverse opportunities to earn money, each with its unique features. Number 1. Inbox Dollars with $5 sign-up bonus. Inbox Dollars is a versatile platform where you can earn money by completing tasks such as taking surveys, watching ads, movie trailers, playing games, and more. Upon signing up, you receive an instant $5 bonus, free money just for joining. With the scratch card style video starting at $0.025, it's a legit platform that has paid out over 80 million to its members. If watching ads is your thing, Inbox Dollars is a must-try. Number 2. Swag Bucks. with $10 sign-up bonus. Swagbucks, a leading platform for online earnings, has paid over $750 million to its members. The Swagbucks video section lets you earn up to $90 a month just by watching videos daily. With a minimum payout of $3, you can quickly redeem your rewards. Like Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks offers a $10 sign-up bonus, an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, and there's ways to earn money online. Number 3. My Points with $10 sign-up bonus. My Points, a partner with Swagbucks, offers a similar reward and redeem system. You can earn points by completing surveys, playing games, shopping online, watching videos, and more. The impressive sign-up incentive includes a $10 gift card, giving you various options for redemption. If you're looking for a site or app combo to watch ads and earn money, My Points is worth exploring. Number 4. AdWallet. AdWallet, though newer, focuses on ads as its primary earning method. With an easy sign-up process, you'll receive text messages notifying you of new ads. Click the link, watch the ad, and earn anywhere from $0.50 to $3. While it may not have as many earnings methods as other platforms, AdWallet offers a decent amount for each ad watched. Number 5. CashKick. CashKick, similar to Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, provides multiple earning avenues, including surveys, web surfing, online shopping, and video watching. While it may not have the highest ratings, using multiple platforms like CashKick can increase your chances of earning more through different offers. Number 6. Nielsen. Nielsen, known for TV ratings, takes a different approach. While you won't directly earn money for watching ads, Nielsen compensates you for sharing your internet browsing data. It's a unique way to get paid indirectly for watching ads online, contributing to their research efforts. Number 7. Earnably. Earnably allows you to earn points for watching videos and ads, taking surveys, and downloading apps. With a sleek user interface, you can cash out for as little as $1, making it an accessible option for quick rewards. Number 8. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel offers various ways to make money online, including watching video ads, taking surveys, and completing tasks. With a minimum payout of $25, it provides gift cards for redemption within minutes, making it a reliable option for those looking for diverse earning opportunities. Number 9. Irazoo. Irazoo, a GPT platform, lets you earn points by taking surveys, surfing the web, playing games, and watching videos. With over 50 channels of video content, it offers a broad spectrum of topics to keep you engaged while earning rewards. Number 10. CashCrate. CashCrate allows you to make money by watching videos and taking surveys, with rewards and points that can be cashed out eventually. It provides a straightforward way to earn while watching ads. Remember, each platform has its unique features and payout methods, so feel free to explore multiple options to find the one that aligns best with your preferences. To summarize, you won't become a millionaire overnight, but you can generate a steady income. Remember, Profitability Plus is here to simplify your journey to financial gains. Get started today and turn those spare moments into cash. Thanks for watching and happy earning!